Okay, so this microwave is definitely one of the most functional microwaves I've ever personally owned. So this is from Toshiba. I've had this now for a few months. What I've noticed, first of all, about this microwave is that it's very powerful and cooks my food much more even than other ones I've used before. So for me, that's definitely the standout feature, but I also love the fact that it has the one-touch start, so you can do up to like 6 minutes easily by just touching a button. Plus, it has the add 30-second timer, so the whole thing is just really functional. And another thing I've noticed is that the actual buttons are very sensitive. Sometimes on microwaves, you have to like push it hard to get it to work. This is very sensitive and very easy to like operate. Plus, the size is amazing. I have a small kitchen, so it fits on my counter really nicely, but there's still plenty of space inside. So overall, I would definitely recommend it.